So my friends, what we have here, our friend, he has nice hair, black and dark hair. He asking for mid fade and he wants to push the hair back. So I will show you the easiest way to do the fade with this kind of hair. So before we do anything, we're gonna put like number 2 level open, and I'll just clean my some space for myself. But don't go to the end, just like to the corner of the sides, and just flick the clipper out. Next, what we're gonna do, we close the clipper to the end and we start the guideline. Do it a bit lower than usual because he likes to brush the hair back, so we have to keep some thickness here. So next step, shave everything below the guideline off. Because my friend, he asked for only 0, he doesn't like to do the super 0, so what I'm gonna do, I don't need to use any shaver. I'm gonna jump straight away with the level open clipper. We will do just 1 centimeter here. Now between the 0 and the half, there's a small harsh line, there's a small gap line actually. So how we remove this line? We close the clipper halfway and we hit only on this line. Don't go to the end of the guideline. Do you remember first when I start with the 2.5, like 2 level open, and I said like don't hit the, like don't go to the end. So this like the end of the 2.5 is a guideline for us, so put like number 1.5 level open and just flick the clipper before the end of the number 2.5. Next step, number 1 level open and just before the end of the number 2, which is number 1.5 level open. So number 1.5 and just before this guideline. Flick the clipper also like this way. Last step of the fade, if you can see, like there's a guideline here, like so between the half and 1/2. What we're gonna do, we're gonna put like half level open and we hit only on this line. Once you remove this line, that's it, the fade's finished. So my friends, this is the final haircut.
Thanks, Aaron.
Welcome. So my friends, he got like less thickness here, this side. So I try to fix it by keep the bulk, extra bulk. Yeah, does the job. It's a nice fade. Happy with your haircut?
Yeah.
Of course you are, mate.
Are y'all ready for this?
First choice barber.